t and t cube minus t. So find the t value. How? First, this we can write t minus 1, t minus 2, if we can write of this, and this we can write the t, there is t square minus 1, and this t square minus 1, so t and the t plus 1 and t minus 1, and there is the t minus 1, and there is a t minus 2, and there is the t, so cut, there is t minus 1, so t minus 1 cut, so there the t minus 2, this is equal to t plus 1, and now there the t plus 1, so this is value is greater than of the 1, and so this is the t value is the greater than of the 2, this, so t value is greater than of the 2, t value, because this is the greater than of 1, so this is the greater than of 1 and similar, so t value is the greater than of the 2. So now if the greater than of the 2 t value, so you can write t value is 3, so 3 minus 2, this is equal to of this 1, so this is the 1, and this side is t value is 3 plus 1, so this is the t value is 4, and this side is t value is 1, and this side is t value is 4, so not possible, so t value is 3, not possible. And now if t value is 4, so we can write t value is 4 minus 2, this is the, we can write this 2, so 2 is equal to 2 into 1 is equal to 2, and we can write this side, so t is equal to the 4 plus 1, this is the 5, so this side is t is equal to 2, and this side is t is equal to 5, so that's not possible, so t value is 4, this is not possible. Again, if t value is 5, so 5 minus 2, this is the 3, so 3 is equal to 3, 2 and 1, this is the 6, and this side the 5 plus 1, this is the 6, so this is similar, this both sides similar when the t value is 5, so both sides are similar when the t value is 5, then both sides is satisfied, this side is 6 and this side is 6 when the t value is 5, and verify t value is 5, so t value is 5 here, and so here is the 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, so this value is 120, this side value, and this side value t value is 5, so 5 cube and the 5, so 125 minus 5, so this side is 120 and this side is 120, so satisfied when, so t value is 5, this side. So thanks for watching the video, thank you.